Smart home gadgets promise to make your life easier. Most of them just make you mad. Bad apps, spotty connections, features that never work. I've tested 5 that actually deliver. Here's what belongs in your home. The Amazon Echo Show 8 is currently around $150. This is the brain of your smart home. The 8-inch HD screen is bright and responsive, and the spatial audio makes music sound fuller than you'd expect from a small device. The built-in smart home hub supports Zigbee, Matter, and Thread, so you don't need a separate hub for most smart devices. The 13-megapixel camera auto-frames during video calls, keeping you centered even if you move around. You can ask Alexa to show camera feeds, control lights, set timers, or play Netflix. The photo frame feature turns your screen into a digital picture frame when idle. One honest catch: the screen shows ads and suggestions you can't fully disable. Also, the camera shutter is manual, which is good for privacy but easy to forget. For anyone starting a smart home or looking for a central command center, the Echo Show 8 is the best all-in-one device you can buy. Link and current price are in the description below. The Blink Outdoor 4.3 camera system is currently around $200. This is the best value wireless security camera system for most homes. Each camera runs for up to 2 years on 2AA lithium batteries. That's not a typo. You install them, connect them to the sync module, and forget about them. The 1080p HD video is clear both day and night, with infrared night vision that works in complete darkness. The 2-year battery life applies to both the outdoor 4 cameras and the video doorbell included in this kit. The motion detection has dual zones, so you can ignore cars driving by while still getting alerts for people walking up to your door. The Blink app is simple and responsive. One honest catch: video clips are stored in the cloud with a subscription. Without a subscription, you only get live view and motion alerts with no recording. For renters or homeowners who want wire-free, long-lasting security cameras without running power cables, Blink is the smart choice. Link and current price are in the description below. The TP-Link Kasa 4-pack smart plug is currently around $25. That's about $6 per plug. This is the cheapest, most reliable way to make your dumb appliances smart. Plug a lamp into one, set a schedule to turn on at sunset, and your home looks occupied even when you're away. Plug a coffee maker into another, and your coffee is ready when you wake up. The Kasa app is simple and rock solid. I've never had a disconnection in 2 years. These plugs work with Alexa and Google Home, so you can say, "Turn off the living room lamp" from your couch. The scheduling and timer features are easy to set up. One honest catch: these only work on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which most routers have, but you need to make sure your phone is on the same band during setup. Also, they are bulky and can block adjacent outlets. For the price of a sandwich per plug, this is the smart home gadget that everyone should own. Link and current price are in the description below. The Ring Video Doorbell is currently around $100. This is the 2nd-generation battery-powered model. The head-to-toe video gives you 66% more vertical coverage than the original. You can actually see packages on the ground and faces clearly. The 1080p video is sharp, and the infrared night vision works well in low light. The built-in rechargeable battery charges via USB-C, or you can hardwire it to your existing doorbell wires for continuous charging. The live view lets you see what's happening anytime, not just when someone rings. The two-way talk is clear enough to tell a delivery driver where to leave a package or scare off a porch pirate. One honest catch: the Ring Protect subscription is almost required. Without it, you get real-time alerts but cannot save videos. The subscription costs about $4 per month for one device. For anyone who wants to know who's at the door, whether they're home or away, Ring is the most trusted name for a reason. Link and current price are in the description below. The Govee Smart LED Bulbs 4-pack is currently around $28. That's about $7 per bulb. These are the best budget smart bulbs on the market. You get 16 million colors, dimmable whites from warm to cool, and music sync mode that changes colors with your playlist. The Govee app has 54 preset scene modes, everything from sunset to romance to party. The bulbs connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so no hub is required. They work with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can say, "Turn the bedroom lights blue," or set the kitchen to 50%. The 800 lumens is plenty bright for lamps, ceiling fixtures, or accent lighting. One honest catch: these are A19 bulbs, so they fit standard sockets but are slightly taller than regular bulbs. Also, the colors are vibrant but not as rich as Philips Hue. For the price of one Hue bulb, you can light up 4 rooms with Govee. If you want color-changing smart lighting without spending a fortune, buy these. Link and current price are in the description below. So those are 5 smart home gadgets that actually work. No frustration, no junk, just reliable gear. Comment below, and don't forget to check the description for all the links. Prices change fast. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go make your home smarter.